Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the second moving vlog. We are about a week out from moving in, which I still cannot believe. It does not seem real at all, but it is. So we started packing last week. So we were about 2 weeks out when we started full on packing, and I feel like that was the best time for us to get started full swing. Now there have been a few hiccups. I have had really bad headaches, and that has definitely slowed me down. And then the kids obviously have been more of a challenge while we're trying to pack than I had anticipated. We are so blessed that my parents live close by, and when they can, they have taken the kids for us, which has been such a huge help. I personally have a hard time asking for help, so that's been something that I need to work on because my parents are definitely willing to help. But today the kids are at my parents' house for the first part of the day, and then they'll come home for naps because they take their naps better here at our house. So we have just a few more minutes left until we need to go get them. Andrew and I have already packed up the kitchen completely. We did that last night. Then this morning I worked on the pantry. But now I'm in Emerson's room, and I'm gonna pack up her decorations and things that she does not need for this last week. And there's no telling what she's going to say or think when she comes back to her room. I don't think she's gonna be super happy to see her stuff packed up. She doesn't really understand what's going on right now, and I think she thinks that like she's not gonna get it back. And then I think the last thing that I'm gonna do today is go through the kids' toys, both in the living room and in the basement. And I'm not going to be kind. I want to get rid of so many of their toys and just leave them with a few good quality toys that they enjoy. And I think they're gonna like that, but I'm definitely gonna like that too. So I am a little sentimental. It's a lot harder than it sounds. So wish me luck. Let's get started with Emerson's room.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. And get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive.
You putting diaper cream on your shirt?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's fun. Are you helping Mama pack?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're doing a great job, bud. Yeah, should we take a nap?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. It's going night night. Smokes, are you excited to have a new house? Are you excited to have a new house? With a backyard. Over here is where we're stacking all of our packed boxes. We're just getting them kind of out of the way, and we're gonna line them all up here so that come moving day, the guys that are helping us can just come in here, grab boxes, and take them straight out the front door. Most of these are from the kitchen, and I got these labels from Amazon. I talked about it in my last video. I'll show you what they all look like. But they are really handy, like super handy. And I did order 800 of them. Hold on, let me show you. This isn't even all of them. There's more like downstairs and upstairs. So I didn't realize how many I was ordering, and then 800 of them came. And at first I was like, well, I will never in a million years use all of these, and I definitely won't. But let me show you what we've been doing. We have been labeling them on the sides of the boxes and also on the top, because we have so many. And then I do go through, this is Andrew's handwriting, but I go through and I put more specific instructions on there. Not instructions, but you know what I mean. Just to let me know when I go to unpack what's in each box. We have been working really hard this week. Like, we've gotten so much done in just a week, and I'm feeling really good. We still have a whole week left until we move. But all of the kitchen is done. All the cabinets are empty except for this one, because we did save out a few things that we thought we might need. Obviously, like mugs, water cup, 2 plates for the kids, 2 bowls. I didn't know if I would need a measuring cup, and then just a colander if we wanted to make mac and cheese or something like that. So this is the stuff that we're keeping out. And then I'm also keeping my utensils out until the last minute, just for convenience sake. But everything else is empty. Just needs a good cleaning. And then today, I didn't show this on camera, but I went through and I organized the pantry. I should have shown you the before. It was jam-packed, full. There was so much stuff in here, and it really was stressing me out. So I went through and I organized it all and then put it back. And then probably closer to when we are actually moving, I'll pack all this stuff up, but we're still kind of using it. One thing I did find in here, which was disgusting, was some rotten sweet potatoes, and it was rotten to the point where it was mushy. And when I pulled it out, fruit flies went flying everywhere, and they're all over our house right now. It was so gross.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you.
We just moved the couch because we rented this like rug cleaner, because we're gonna clean these rugs. There's another one downstairs that we want to clean, and then we're gonna roll them up, tape them, and not put them back down, so we can just take them to the new house and they'll stay nice and clean. But we just moved the couch, and this is so gross. Look at all of this. That's a lime, just trash and snacks. Oh, so gross. That's a stain. This is gonna be really nice though to have these rugs nice and clean, because look at the difference. This is where the couch was. It's still nice and fluffy, a different color, and this is all pretty matted down. This rug came from, I believe, Wayfair or Overstock, And I feel like it should still be in good condition if we can get it cleaned up a little bit. What are you doing, Oakley? Are you helping? You're the biggest help, huh? Uh-oh. You're into everything. Where'd Dada go? Cutie. But here are the rugs all rolled up. Boxes. The stack is getting bigger. This is Oakley's room. All the decor is off the walls. Curtains down. Picked up this rug. This is Emmy's room. She actually didn't have a whole lot of decorations going on in the first place, but everything's out of here except for pillows and things, but actually could put those away. And then we saved her out some of her favorite books and then just her nighttime supplies, but everything else is put away. And then I will show you what we're gonna do with the clothes. This is what we usually do. So the drawers we're gonna leave as they are, and we'll just take the drawers out to carry the dresser downstairs, and then once we get the dresser in the trailer, then we'll put the drawers back in it, and that just makes it really easy so you don't have to like unpack the drawers. And then with everybody's clothes, including mine and Andrew's and Oakley's, we will just keep them on the hangers, and we're gonna put trash bags over the top, poke a little hole at like the bottom of the trash bag to stick the hangers through. And then you can tie the bottom since her clothes are pretty short. And then that makes for easy transport so you don't have to take everything off of hangers. Decor in our room is all taken down. Last minute I'll put these pillows in bags. I just don't want them squished right now. But everything else has been taken down. And then this is the basement. Like I said, it still has some work, but good news. I actually sold this desk on Facebook Marketplace, and the lady put down a deposit on it, and she's gonna come pick it up on Saturday. So that is a huge relief because this is a giant desk and we really didn't want to have to move it. So that was really nice that that sold. But let me show you, this is probably the worst thing we have left to deal with. It's a little intimidating. We can pack all of this food up. These are large like kitchen appliances that can't really fit in boxes. We'll do our best though. And then these are like baby clothes that are too small for the kids, Christmas decorations, and those will be easy just to move. I don't know if you guys remember, but I used to have a giant fiddly fig tree. It was like a huge, tall 7-foot tree. I got rid of that because it was just too much for us, or for me to like take care of and move. But then I saw these fiddles at Lowe's, and they were only $15 each, and they're much more manageable. And I got a little carried away, and I didn't buy just 2. I bought 4. This was supposed to be the original one. and then I just kept going. So I'm gonna have to find some spots in the house for these guys, but they're doing really well, growing new leaves. This one over here grew a new leaf. And this right here is why I'm so excited to get Oakley a yard. He's currently playing in a parking spot. He loves to be outside. He's gonna love having a yard. So it is Thursday and I'm ending the vlog here. I'm getting a little anxious to get into the house. We have, like I said, just a couple more days until we can actually get in, but I am anticipating it being a little bit chaotic the last day and the day that we move, only because there's just last minute things that you can't pack into boxes. We've pretty much packed everything that we can into boxes, and so there's just like a lot of individual items that are going to need to be moved the day of. So we'll get there, and I'm really excited, you guys. It doesn't seem real yet. It really doesn't. And it's so weird. I've told Andrew this, but you get to see the house once, maybe twice. You make like the biggest decision of your life other than maybe getting married. And we personally had to make it split second because the market around here, the houses go so fast. And we knew that the house that we ended up getting would go really fast too. So we saw the house and like the day of had to make a split second decision. So it doesn't seem real. It doesn't seem like we actually bought a house just because we haven't been back inside it. But it is real and we're so excited. So the next video that you'll see will either be a moving in vlog or an empty house tour. I don't know. We'll have to see how that plays out. But either way, very exciting stuff coming soon, and I am just so excited to share it with you guys. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that so you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming up. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. I update there a little bit more frequently, and you can hang out with us on a more day-to-day basis that way. Alright guys, I love you, and I will see you in the next one.